Gold does not begin as beauty. It begins hidden, raw, and mixed with earth. In hard rock deposits, gold is often trapped within solid stone, invisible without extraction and processing. Erosion slowly breaks down rock, releasing tiny gold particles into the environment. Flowing water carries gold downstream, where it settles in riverbeds and sediment. In sediment-rich environments, gold accumulates in mud, sand, and gravel over time. Although valuable, gold remains hidden, dispersed in small quantities across vast natural landscapes. In hard rock mining, gold-bearing stone is extracted from large open pits. Extracted rock is moved for further processing. Crushing breaks the rock to release gold-bearing material. In river deposits, gold is separated using flowing water. Because gold is heavy, gravity helps separate it from lighter material. Screening separates fine gold-bearing material from larger rock fragments. The result is a concentrated material containing gold.
This material will now be refined to isolate pure gold. Refining separates gold from remaining impurities. Before refining, concentrated material is prepared for purification. High temperatures allow gold to separate from other elements. Impurities are removed, leaving molten gold. Non-metallic material is separated during refining.
Purified gold is cast into solid bars.
As the metal cools, gold takes its solid form. The result is refined gold, ready for further transformation. Refined gold now moves to shaping and forming. Refined gold is shaped into usable forms through controlled mechanical processes. Heating prepares the metal for shaping without cracking. Rolling gradually flattens gold into uniform sheets. Repeated passes control thickness and consistency. Intermittent heating restores the metal's flexibility. Drawing transforms gold into fine wire. Formed gold is inspected before crafting begins. The shaped metal is now ready for craftsmanship. Jewelry crafting begins with precision and careful handling. Shaped gold is cut into components for assembly. Each piece is formed according to its final design. Individual parts are assembled into complete forms. Heat is applied to secure permanent bonds. Crafted forms are checked for alignment and structure. The pieces now move to finishing and refinement. Finishing reveals the true appearance of gold. Surface imperfections are gradually removed. Polishing is performed in stages for uniform results.
Cleaning prepares the surface for final inspection.
Each piece is inspected for form and finish. The transformation is complete.
From nature to refinement, gold becomes jewelry.